They say content is king. But how do you make sure your content reigns supreme? Repurposing is the answer. It's about making your message go further and reaching a larger audience. By transforming one piece of content into multiple formats, you save time, boost engagement, and extend your reach. Imagine turning a single blog post into a podcast, an infographic, and a series of social media posts. Turn blog posts into videos using tools like InVideo and Pictory. Transform webinars into insightful blog posts by transcribing and structuring key points. Create infographics from data-driven articles. Develop podcasts from written content for an on-the-go audience. Maintain brand consistency by keeping your voice, tone, and visuals uniform across all formats. Regularly update outdated information to keep your content relevant. Use analytics to identify high-performing pieces that can be repurposed effectively. Repurposing content maximizes its impact without multiplying the workload. Start small, pick a high-performing piece, and give it new life. Your message deserves to be heard, seen, and shared.